Yeah, Mafia Magazine Radio.
Hey, yo, this Rich Porter. What it do, big homie?
Hey, what up, Reg? Hold on for a second, baby. Let me set you up real quick, all right?
Yes, sir.
For all my listeners out there, man, I got the opportunity, man, to sit down, man, with an incredibly talented artist, man, and this cat goes by the name Rich Porter Basic. And we're going to sit down with Basic Obama, baby. He going to let us know, man, what it do on his side of town. So, Basic, baby, how they treat
Yeah.
you these days, son?
Oh man, bro, you already know how they do it, man. It's 100 around here, man. How you feeling?
I'm good, baby. I'm good, man. So tell all the listeners out there, man, where you originally from, man, and how long you been doing your thing.
Man, I'm from the top of the map, Wisconsin. Put on for the map, man. I'm talking about my Packers just took that L to San Fran, man. We
Mm-hmm.
gonna be alright next year, man, for sure, for sure. You understand? But shit, other than that, bro, I've been doing this for a long time now, about 12 years old, man. Just steady grinding, steady grinding.
Yeah.
I done got myself in a good position right now, rocking with the right people. So there ain't no looking back.
Yeah, no doubt, baby. That's all good money, man. So tell us, man, exactly, man, what inspired you, man, to actually want to pick up a microphone, man, and spit your emotions, man? You know what I mean?
For sure. Just as a young cat, sitting up watching Biggie and Pac, Jay Z, Big L, Jada Kiss. I just fell into the rap scene. I wanted to live like that,
Right.
and I just fell in love with it. After that, it just embraced me.
Yeah, no question, baby. And that had to be a little different, man, coming from the geographics of where you live at. You know what I'm saying? I
Yeah,
mean, yeah,
definitely.
you know what I'm saying? I mean, ain't nothing wrong with where you at, baby. You know what I'm saying? But it's just that it's very rare. You know what I'm saying? That we actually get to hear somebody, man. You know what I'm saying? Doing it like you doing it, man. Out of that Scar City over there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
know what
yeah.
I'm saying? So tell us, man. You know what I'm saying? What was your first project, man, that you did, and in that project kind of let you know, man, that you had talent, and not only did you have talent, but you was actually on your way.
I was actually in seventh grade, bro. I was in seventh grade and I dropped a track. It was called How Cold Am I? And I was supposed to put this one girl, her name was Sade. I was supposed to put her on the song, but
Mm-hmm.
I actually put this girl named Courtney on the song. So I played the song in seventh grade, while my teacher had walked out. And actually when the school was over with, I came to find out she had told on me, so I had to sit in ISS for a little minute for playing the song. And but it was all love though because it turned out to be a good song, and I just it took a little while for me to pursue it and make a whole CD.
Right,
But after I made a whole CD, I started winning competitions. You know what I'm saying?
right.
So that's when I knew I was on to something.
No question. And for those that don't know, you know what I'm saying, coming where you coming from, man, you had the opportunity, man, you know what I'm saying, to get a deal and all that, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes things
Yeah,
don't work out, you know what I'm saying? But kind
yeah,
of give us a little insight, man, on how that all worked out, man, and you know what I'm saying, and what you actually learned from it all, yo.
yeah. For sure. I actually had a few things going on with Sony, Epic, Columbia. They flew me out. Had a few meetings with them. Had a little ghostwriting deal on the table. And
Hmm.
due to being young, bullheaded, just really wanted to live that life up. My mind wasn't really where it needed to be.
Right,
And I faced incarceration a few times. It wasn't nothing major, but them labels really wasn't feeling that. So I
right.
believe they kind of washed their hands with me, and I just had to rebuild from there. But we back now.
No question, baby. You know what I'm saying? So tell everybody, man, where you actually derive your material from. I mean, I already know it. You know what I'm saying? But there's some out there, man, that don't really understand what we do. You know what I'm saying? So put it to them, man. Let them know, man, how you put your words. I mean, how you bring your words to life, baby.
It's just, man, it's all emotion, bro. It's all how I be feeling. I got my own little studio in the crib too. So, when I get up at 3 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 10, 8 at night, whatever, if I'm feeling some type of way, I just hop in there and just express it. I'm by myself, so I got that opportunity to just sit in here and experiment all day long. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
when it come out, if I don't like it, I'll scratch it. But no, most of the time I like it, so I put it out and I push it.
Yeah, no question, baby. So tell everybody, man, how many mixtapes, man? You got a lot of mixtapes out there, man. You got a lot of music out there, man. Let everybody know, man, all
Yeah,
that you've
yeah,
been doing, and let us know, man, how we can find you. You know what I'm saying? And how actually, man, all that you've been putting down, man, for the time that you've been putting it down.
man. I got 12 mixtapes.
Hmm.
I only released about four of them nationally.
Right.
Uh, really the other eight, I ain't gonna say I wasn't serious about my career, but it was spurts. where I would take it serious, then I drop a mixtape, then I fall back. Then I take it serious, then I drop a mixtape, then fall back. But that's over with now, bro.
Right.
We way too deep in the game. So, I'm just taking it and run with it. It is what it is. I just like making good music. I like listening to good music. So, that therefore it pushed me to make better music for the world to listen to.
Yeah, no question, baby. So I got a question for you, man. Do you consider yourself a rapper, an artist, a lyricist? I mean, break it down. You know what I mean? Is your style, you know what I'm saying? Or is just you encompass it all, baby?
I believe I'm all that in one, bro. For a minute, I can hop in the booth with anybody, bro. I ain't got no certain style. I'm from up top. If you want to put on a West Coast beat, a East Coast beat, a dirty South, bro, I goes in and I do me. I just let it all out. I ain't got no style.
Yeah, no doubt. That's what it's really about. You know what I'm saying? Being able to feel the music and do what you do. You heard? You know what I'm saying? So I got a question, man. When it's all said and done, man, and they talk about Rich Porter, baby, you know what I'm saying? What you wanted to be said about the music they heard and the things that you did in the game?
Man, I just, me, bro, I sit back and I look at not to knock nobody else for what they doing, but, I ain't a trending rapper, bro. What I do, it ain't no trend. What I do gonna be here for a long time. I'm just waiting to get my foot through the door.
Right.
I want to be compared to more so a Drake than a Chief Keef. You feel me?
Yeah.
No disrespect to nobody. Everybody do what they do. Everybody got their own lane. Right. But I just want to be one of the greats.
Yeah, no doubt, baby. So what's the current project that you're working on right now?
I just dropped 1342 on live mixtapes with DJ Victorious. All original beats, everything original. All me. I put a lot of hard work behind that project, and I can guarantee you that project, bro. I can guarantee you could put that in and not press fast forward or rewind and just let that play. I also got something major going on. I got a major track me and Snoop Dogg finna do, so that's gonna be a good look for me. I already got his verse and everything. Big shout out to the homie Snoop Dogg. Big shout out to the homie Flossy. You know what I'm saying? Put that together for me. So I think that's gonna be real major for me.
Yeah, no doubt, baby. So what's the optical we working on these days, man? You got some videos out there we can see, man, where we actually can see Rich Porter doing his thing?
Definitely.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm on YouTube crazy. Big shout out to my homie Jamie O, man. He got me on Vlad. You can go check that out. Rich Porter Astronaut, Vlad TV. I'm YouTube crazy though. I'm YouTube crazy right now. It's going down for me on YouTube right now.
Yeah, that's a real good thing. Hey man, due to time constraints, man, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have to shut this down a little bit. But before we go though, man, I want to give you one more chance, man, an opportunity to shout out everything and plug everything and everybody, man, that's helped you get to the point to where you are today, son.
Yeah, man, for sure. First off, I want to shout out to my team. I want to give a big shout out to my homeboy, Ryan Williams, man. We ain't talked in a while, but, I salute that man, He steered me in the right direction. He actually the reason I met Jamie O, and me and Jamie O got what we got going on. And that's a big plus. He a real nigga. I rock with Jamie O 120%. I trust him with everything that he do for me. And I just want to shout out to my team. Shout out to my city, 608, B-City, Wisconsin. We in here for the long. The long haul, bro.
No doubt, baby. For all my listeners out here, man, y'all had the opportunity to hear first right here on Mafia Magazine Radio, man. The artist's name is Rich Porter. Make sure y'all go cop what he doing. You know what I'm saying? Support the Cap, man, because he got some real hot music coming out. And I also want you to stay locked in, baby, because we got one of them tracks Rich is talking about, man. That astronaut track. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
baby. We get ready to bang that out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No doubt, baby. Hey, Rich, man, let me just say this, man. May you always be blessed in the things that you do, man, and may you always prosper in everything that you do, son. You heard?
All day. I appreciate that, big homie.
No doubt, baby. Peace.
Peace.